guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayush and today we are gonna draw Sasuke upside down. So for this drawing, first of all I'm gonna draw Sasuke, only face and that too upside down. And at the end, I will also add a quote which is related to Sasuke, which is said by Sasuke. So let's start with the materials I'm going to use for this drawing. First of all, I'm using a very big square this time, which is of 14 centimeters each side. I'm using an A3 size paper and the face is gonna be really big, so that's why I'm using a very big square this time. I'll be using a 0.5 mechanical pencil for sketching, and it is a stick for more accurate erasing, 01 Copic Multiliner for inking thin lines, and 04 Sakura marker for inking thick lines, a white pen for showing highlights, a charcoal eraser for erasing pencil lines after inking, and finally some Copic Sketch Markers for coloring our drawing. So these are the materials I'll be using for drawing today's sketch. Without any further ado, let's dig in. our drawing is complete, guys. Initially I was planning to make it a manga drawing. That means I was only going to use black color. I thought it would look better if I color it because it's a big drawing and there's a lot of white space. I tried something new. I wrote a quote related to the character for the first time in my drawing. You all probably know this quote is related to Sasuke, in fact said by Sasuke in the series. I thought it would look cool, and personally I like the idea of this drawing. Drawing Sasuke upside down, staring at you with his Sharingan and with a quote. Also, I tried to be a little creative this time. So I used my Copic Sketch Markers. I sprinkled some of the colors to give it a kind of a background. So if you like the drawing or the idea of the drawing and you want to see more drawings like these, drawing characters with quotes, so let me know in comments down below what you think of this drawing. Don't forget to drop a like and share it with your friends to support my channel. And if you're not subscribed yet, then subscribe because there are a lot more drawing tutorials, speed drawings coming up in the future. You don't want to miss them out, and also ring the bell to get notified whenever I'm on YouTube. You can also follow me at Twitter, Instagram and Facebook at Ayush Pencil Art to get my latest drawing updates. I'll be also sharing their links down below, so go check them out. And that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.